Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Fan Machinery. Witness the incredible driving skills of a big wood logging truck navigating through challenging terrain. This heavy-duty truck, carrying massive logs, showcases the expertise required in the logging industry. The truck tackles tough conditions, getting stuck in the mud and demonstrating the remarkable coordination of man and machine to overcome nature's obstacles. Meanwhile, a Cat D6RXL bulldozer with a powerful winch steps in to assist. It effortlessly pulls a colossal natural log measuring 80 centimeters in diameter and 20 meters in length, showcasing the brute strength of this heavy equipment. Filmed in Sintang, West Borneo, this scene highlights the demanding yet awe-inspiring work of logging in rugged environments. A true testament to human ingenuity and perseverance, this video captures the heart-pounding moments of operating heavy machinery under extreme conditions. Meanwhile, over in Mayoko, Congo, Volvo logging trucks showcase their resilience and capability in the face of equally challenging conditions. The logging industry in this region of loads in the unforgiving terrain. In instances where trucks get stuck, teamwork and the strategic use of heavy equipment like bulldozers, excavators, and winches become crucial. The coordination between the machines and their operators ensures that the work progresses smoothly despite the harsh conditions. These stories of exceptional logging skills highlight the rugged determination and expertise required in the industry. Whether it's a Cat bulldozer hauling logs in West Borneo or Volvo trucks navigating the swamps of Congo, these feats demonstrate the synergy between man and machine, pushing the limits of what's possible in timber extraction. Such scenes are a stark reminder of the effort and mastery involved in bringing raw materials from remote forests to the global market, making it a spectacle of skill, strength, and endurance in the face of nature's challenges. Witness incredible skill as a Scania 6x6 wood logging truck navigates tight bends while transporting massive timber in mudden. This remarkable display of precision and control highlights the dangers and challenges of timber transport. The driver expertly maneuvers the heavy load through treacherous terrain, showcasing unmatched expertise. From narrow paths to steep curves, every moment is a testament to their driving prowess. A breathtaking blend of danger and skill. This is wood logging at its most thrilling. Driving a fully loaded logging truck through rugged terrain is no ordinary feat, especially when faced with challenging conditions like deep mud. The Fuso 380, a heavy-duty logging truck, demonstrates both its raw power and the incredible skill of its operators when it tackles these extreme scenarios. Imagine navigating through a dense forest, the truck's tires sinking into thick mud, and the massive weight of logs testing every ounce of traction and torque. Precision, patience, and expertise are crucial as the driver maneuvers this mechanical beast, avoiding potential rollovers or getting completely bogged down. When a Fuso 380 gets stuck, the scene turns into a showcase of determination and teamwork. With heavy equipment like winches and excavators, or sometimes just sheer grit, operators work tirelessly to free the vehicle. The roaring engine and spinning wheels send mud flying, creating a dramatic spectacle of man versus nature. These moments highlight not only the truck's robust engineering but also the driver's unmatched bravery and skill. It's a vivid reminder of the challenges faced by those who ensure timber makes its journey from forest to mill, overcoming obstacles that most would deem impossible. In the heart of the Mayoko forests of Congo, a remarkable scene unfolds daily. Franklin Boggs, a seasoned African logger, continues to rely on forklifts to tackle one of nature's most formidable challenges, the massive tree trunks that dominate the dense landscape. These ancient trees, towering and thick, are carefully felled and readied for transport, a testament to the enduring demand for timber in the region. Franklin's forklifts are a crucial tool in this demanding process, enabling him to lift and load these giant logs onto large trucks bound for sawmills or export markets. The work is painstaking and requires precision, as each log's weight and size demands skill and experience to handle safely. For Franklin, logging is more than a profession, it's a way of life passed down through generations. Yet, it also reflects the delicate balance between economic survival and the pressing need for sustainable forestry practices.
Kurap kaining.
The Mayoko Forest, with its verdant canopy and biodiversity, underscores the stakes involved in Franklin's daily labor. As forklifts groan under the weight of ancient timber, the scene raises important questions about conservation and the future of such irreplaceable ecosystems.